Laying of subgrade layer. Equipment: roller, grader, tipper. Barricade the working area. Mark points as per the drawing. Fix the control pegs at every 5 meters to 10 meters. Along the center line along both sides in such a manner that the grader movement is not disturbed. Mark the required levels on peg arms with suitable vertical offset. The approved material is brought in dumpers. Unload the material in mounds as shown. The material is uniformly spread by grader. Each grader runs and overlaps by at least 1/3 of the blade length. After initial spreading, hold the string at the marks on both the sides and measure the height of the string from bed top to know the loose thickness. Loose thickness of the layer will be generally 30% more than the required compacted thickness. The grader operator is directed according to the measurement in the above step to cut and fill. Water is to be sprinkled before compaction. Water to be sprinkled in liters is equal to quantity of soil multiplied by OMC minus moisture at site multiplied by 1000. The compaction is done mechanically using vibratory rollers of 80 to 100 kN static weight for the entire stretch. The compaction commences from the lower end and proceeds towards the upper edge. Each pass of the roller overlaps 1/3 of the preceding pass. Conduct survey after the final compaction to verify with the desired thickness and length. Levels of subgrade layer should not vary with reference to longitudinal and cross profile of the road by the tolerance plus 20 mm or minus 25 mm.